Alright, today I'm doing a review on Nature's Path Organic. It's basically called Mesa Sunrise. It's a cereal. It contains corn, flax, quinoa, and amaranth. Okay, it is gluten-free. Okay, and if you look at here, non-GMO, organic, and that's the front. Here's the side panel. Let's look at what's in here. So we have cornmeal, corn, cane sugar, so that's where your source of sugar is going to come from. Flax seeds, buckwheat, quinoa, amaranth, sea salt, tocopherols. Basically, it's vitamin E. Okay, and what we got here is 3 grams of protein, and we got 0.3 grams of omega-3s, which is very little. Okay, and this is per 3/4 of a cup. Sugar content is only 4 grams, so it's actually not that bad. Okay, let's open this up. And I believe it is oh yeah, so right here you want to be careful there. Some peanuts and tree nuts and soy, so you may contain, so you just have to be careful. And let's open this up. Okay, so here it is opened up, and these are the flakes. Okay, let's try one. It's like your cornflakes, but it's a little bit denser, a little bit more nuttier too. So other than that, so there's a good crunch in here, and that's about it. If you have any questions, comments, please post them below, and subscribe to the channel.